It was a volatile week for the stock market. The Dow, S&P 500, and NASDAQ each suffered significant losses. That's fueling concerns of more economic pain around the corner. But Americans have already been dealing with the effects of inflation for months. Jaime Quiros joins me now. He is a senior portfolio manager at FBB Capital Partners. Jaime, thank you for joining us.
Thank you. Good morning. Thank you very much.
So for people who normally maybe don't pay so much attention to the stock market, explain how the sell-off on Wall Street impacts our day-to-day lives.
Yeah, thank you so much for having me. I appreciate it. It's a double effect. What's happening is you're feeling the grocery prices go up. You're feeling oil prices or gas prices go up. And then you're looking at your retirements and your investment plans, your 401ks declining. So it's the wealth effect. It's just painful on both sides.
I mean, you mentioned 401ks. For Americans who are planning to retire this year, should they consider waiting until the markets calm down if they can?
Yeah, that's a very good question. At FBB, it really depends on where you are in terms of your situation. If you don't have a plan, make sure to talk to someone to get a plan. But it really, comes down to where you are in terms of your savings, your portfolio. What does that mean in terms of your expenses? Can the portfolio withstand, retirement? It's about, looking at the long run and what the volatility does to the long run. We're typically stress testing portfolios to make sure that when we're making these decisions, they're the most informed ones and that the plan is going to be in place as we're in retirement.
And we're seeing gas prices reach record highs. Inflation is at the highest level in decades. What are some things Americans can do to make it through this moment without going broke?
Yeah, no, it's a tough call. Typically what's happened is, people drive a little bit less, or what's happened also is, people going to just necessities, right, away from the retail. This past week at Target, for example, and Walmart had earnings, and basically they have a lot more inventory than expected, only to say that, people are going to the necessity, the goods that they need, as opposed to other kind of wants. And on the extreme example, for example, stockpiling on non-perishable goods like pasta, for example, as wheat prices have gone up.
Well, I wonder, Jaime, because you're saying that there's also increased volatility, but also a question of how long this is going to last. So if the U.S. does fall into a recession, as some are speculating, how long before the economy bounces back?
Yeah, I wish I could tell you exactly, right? But on the long end, around 2 years is what the worst case scenario is. From peak to drop, right, it's about 50%. The last, I think, 2 to 3 recessions have been that way, but that's not the norm. I think we'll be somewhere before that if we get to that. And it's, all a matter of, not panicking, sticking with the plan, make sure, and if you don't have one, just talk to someone to be able to, see where you are to make sure that you create a plan to stick to that plan. It makes sense for you and your situation.
All right. Jaime Quiros, thank you.
Lana, thank you so much. I really appreciate it.